Hey, it's Brett and Coach here, and today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to do a little bit of a life update story time while I paint another shirt with my logo, like in my current profile photo. So to start off with my current little life update, I am now unemployed. I am not going to name names of the business or put fault or anything like that. I'm just putting my situation out there. Basically what happened about a month ago now is that my place of employment wanted me to relocate over 2 hours away for the location by CTA one way. That just wasn't feasible. I had the general feeling that they were trying to get rid of me anyway. They refused to fire me when I asked because they didn't want to deal with unemployment. Thankfully, fortunately, after a couple long, stressful weeks, unemployment did come through, so I'm at a much better place, especially when it comes to Brett and Coach, because I have the time to really focus and put the energy into editing and videos and taking my time with them instead of shoving them into the time that I had after work. And I was just so exhausted after work just because the environment wasn't the most non-toxic, to keep it simple. There have been some uncomfortable things said by other employees towards me type of stuff. It is not my thing to get into that by any means. I am not faulting the company, but it didn't really end on the most pleasant of terms. But I think it really is a silver lining for the whole situation that I get to dedicate my time how I want to. And it has been so exciting to see over the last couple weeks. My subscribers, thank you. That count is almost to 100. So if you are watching this video, please consider subscribing. I am so close to 100, and that's such a milestone that I didn't even know if I would ever get there. So it's been just a ton of fun and finally feels rewarding in life over everything. So thank you for that. There are plenty of big things coming up on the channel. Of course, more Drink Illinois Passport videos. We are almost towards the end of the summer. I have a couple videos on backlog that are coming out that I managed to catch up on, as well as a couple final pushes to see how many stickers we can actually get on the passport. So make sure you are watching those videos. There is a playlist that you can click into, and it has all of the parts. I think I'm on like 13 or 14 now for different parts. It's been just a ton of fun. But also, in mid-August, I will be leaving the US for 3 weeks to go to Singapore and Japan. If you personally know me, you would know that I went to Japan 2 years ago now, and that was before I started the channel. So I am so excited to go to Tokyo, which I've never actually been before, and take all of y'all along too, as well as Singapore for more Brian's diving competition stuff and explore Singapore. I think it's going to be so much fun for both countries. I'm in the current planning stage of everything, of what we want to do, what we want to see, what neighborhoods to explore. So if you have ever been to Singapore or Japan, please comment down below what areas I should explore, what are the must-sees. Specifically in Japan, I will only be in Tokyo. So if you have any tips, travel, anything like that, that would be so much of a help, just because I also want to do what the people want to see. So there will definitely be a lot of content coming, and And don't worry, with me out of the country, I am making sure I have enough videos scheduled and uploaded so there won't be a break. So remember, every Tuesday and Friday at noon Central Standard Time, there will be continual uploads, and I hope to continue to do so as much as I can. I think the only New Year's resolution that I've really stuck to this year has been wanting to upload 2 videos a week, and so far so good. And also let me know what I should do for my 100 subscribers celebration. We are so close to being there. Any thoughts, feelings, vibes, content you want to see, let me know. I'd be happy to thank each and every one of you if I could. I'm just so appreciative of everything that's going on, even if it is ups and downs. I'm just in a really good place, and I'm excited to see what the next chapter in life has in store for me. Also, let me know if you prefer the black shirt with the white logo or the white shirt with the black logo. I think both of them came out really solid as well. I'm going to do some quick little touch-ups on the black one off camera just to make sure that white really does pop. But otherwise, this has been Brett and Coach. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, I will see you next time in Coach.